Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today we have a new adventure for you. It's about a girl named Anna who just arrived in New York City.
Wow, finally, New York. I still can't believe I'm here. The air smells like food and cars at the same time. I can hear people talking, music playing, cars honking. Everything is loud, fast, alive. I'm a little tired, but also happy. My legs hurt from the flight, but my heart feels light.
Anna walks out of the airport with her small backpack and one suitcase. She looks around. So many taxis, buses, and people.
Okay, first I need coffee and maybe breakfast. I haven't eaten real food since yesterday. Hi, can I have one coffee, please? Medium with milk?
Sure, that's $3.75. Welcome to New York.
Thank you. She was so hungry, she enjoyed her meal. She asked her friend to help her understand the places around the city. Together, she looked at the map and planned where to go next.
Hi, excuse me, is there a phone store near here?
Yeah, there's one right across the street. See that red sign?
Oh, yes, thank you so much. Hi, I just arrived from another country. I need a phone plan, for 1 month. Can you please tell me which plan is best for visitors?
No problem. We have a travel plan. $30 for 30 days. Unlimited data and calls.
It takes a few minutes, but soon Anna's phone is ready. She now has internet and can call anytime. Another small but important win. Hey, Michael, I got my phone working.
Awesome! Sorry I can't join you today, but try to visit Central Park or Times Square. You'll love it.
Now comes the real challenge, taking the subway for the first time. Metro card, single ride, or 7-day? I bought the 7-day. It's cheaper. This is so new. Everyone looks busy. Some are reading, some are on phones. Everyone's standing in queue. When she comes out of the subway, she sees it. Times Square. Bright lights, huge screens, people from everywhere. Wow, it's like day and night at the same time. So many colors, so many people. I can hear birds now. It's quiet here, so different from Times Square. I like this place. It feels calm. Maybe I'll sit on this bench for a while. So now I am walking in Central Park. She sits down, takes a deep breath, and watches people jogging, walking dogs, reading books. She realizes something. She's not afraid anymore. Today wasn't perfect. I got lost once, I said some words wrong, but people were kind. They helped me, and now I feel proud. I did it, all by myself. Tomorrow, I'll see more. Maybe go to the museum. But for now, I just want to enjoy this view.
And that's how Anna's first day in New York ends. Not too big, not too small, just right. That's the heart of today's story. Learning a language, living in a new place, it's not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to try. Thank you for listening to today's story. Remember, every small step you take in English is a big step forward. You don't have to speak perfectly, you just have to speak. See you next time.